It is 10:36. I don't know what time it's going to say on the dash cam because I haven't. We did update it to Newfoundland time when we got here last year, but I don't know when I was editing the videos last time the time was off, so I don't know what time zone the camera is in. But it is currently 10:36. We are just leaving home. It's an hour and 20 minutes to where we're going. I don't know if that's looking at me. I can't see over there. And then we are going to go for a hike. Hopefully we can get the hike done. It's June 21st, so lots of daylight hours. No worry about running out of daylight, that's for sure. Days are long. I'll let you know where we're going when we get there. Hi there. I have a reservation. Shush! Rebecca Weaver. Thank you. Now I want to go and hike the La Manche Village Trail path or whatever. Where would I go to park for that?
Best way to get to that is to go back to the highway and you take a left in about a kilometer. You take another left to your next left, so you don't really got much to do.
Okay.
And you go to the end of that road.
Okay. Simulu. That's enough. Thank you. Okay, so when we come up behind this Toyota, somebody's driving. Here we are. East Coast Trail is 1.3 kilometers from here. We are on the La Manche Village path. She's investigating. It's Saturday, so there's going to be a lot of people here. It's a nice sunny day, so there's going to be a lot of people here. Yeah, but, you know. Okay, people, that's gross. Pick up your dog's poop. Come on, Cindy Lou, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Good girl. I don't know what's with people. They think, oh, it's poop. It's natural. Moose poop out here. Why can't I just leave my dog poop? Well, because your dog poop has different bacteria in it than what is natural for out here. That's why. So, yes, pooping is a natural body function for pretty much every living being. But just because it's a natural function doesn't mean that what comes out is natural for the environment that it's in. So, pick up your dog's poop. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Okay, this path, the La Manche Village path, is 6 kilometers plus the 1.3 from the parking. And then we have to come back again, so total is going to be about 14 something kilometers. Like I said earlier, we have lots of daylight. It's just the solstice was 12:37 Newfoundland time, or 0 dark 37 Newfoundland time. People coming, hold on. Let's see what she does. No ma'am, nope. No, ma'am. Go girl. Be polite. Hi. Hey. Go girl. Nope. Nope.
It's all good.
Nope. That's not polite. I don't know why you're doing that all the time now. It's not like you don't ever see people. Come on. Come on. Hi.
Hello,
good
darling.
girl. Nope, nope. Be a good girl. Good girl. Come on. Good girl. That was so much better. Good girl. Come on. Nope. Good girl. Thank you. Good girl. Good girl. Hi. Thank you. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Hi. Good girl. Hey, stop. Stop. Let's go. Come on. Okay, so far this is a beautiful trail. Very cruisy. Look at that. Come on, Cindy Lou, let's go. But I don't know, honestly don't know how much video I'm gonna get because there's so many people and she's being so reactive. Like snarling and spinning and spewing pea soup. And I mean, everybody's good about it, but there's also been a lot of dogs. So sometimes that trips up the other dogs. And she's got to stop and sniff every single blade of grass. So imagine every single blade of grass for 14 kilometers. It's gonna take us a while, I suppose. Oh, look at that water, it's all red. Okay, come on, Cindy Lou. Another bunch of people coming. Gotta put the camera away. Come here. Come here. Come here, Cindy Lou. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Nope. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, another dog coming. Hello.
Jim, come to here, Jim. It's really easier.
It's easier if you pass this area.
That's what I'm saying, but sometimes men don't listen. I'm sorry.
Okay.
A truer truth was never spoken.
See how much
I know, she's on your side.
I know you saw the husky. Oh. She's sometimes reactive. I don't know what she's gonna do. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Look at the big fluffs. Yep, we'll do the leash dance. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Boo Boo. This is what they call easy. Oh my goodness. I wonder if we're going in the right direction even. Look at that. Oh, I guess this may be the La Manche village, like actual ruins of houses and stuff. Good girl, come here. No, we don't need to take their selfie for them. No. Look at all the buttercups. Good girl, come here. Okay. Yeah, we went the wrong way. Damn it. Oh my god. There's the Flamberhead path. I didn't want to come this way. I wanted to go the other way. There wasn't a sign at the thing that said which way is which. And you know me and my directionally challenged self, I don't understand maps. Stop, Cindy Lou! Enough. Come on. Come on. Let's go. So I can't do the Flamberhead path. There's cliffs and stuff, and it's just winds of supposed to be gusts of 70 kilometers an hour. Now I just want to cry. Cindy Lou, come on. So mad. I thought this was the way. I give up. Okay. I have no idea which way to go on this map. A guy just stopped and said that where we were at the bridge is the beginning of this path, but the sign said Flamberhead path. So it's not, I don't know. And I'm trying to look at the instructions on the map, and I don't even see where it says the bridge. So, like, I'm so directionally challenged, and I don't understand. And I am so fed up right now. My boss was texting me. Was annoying me, so like I can't do this. Okay. I don't know why it says I'm not hiking back there. I'm done. I can't. There's too many people. The dog is too reactive. I'm too annoyed. But it says the trailhead sign is at the far end of the bridge. So I don't know. I'm just gonna go to the camp and screw it, because I'm just annoyed now. It's 2 o'clock, so we're not gonna get anywhere. Okay, so here's our campsite. Of course, the pit toilets that are right across the road, which is kind of why I picked this one, because there was 2 sites left when I'm making the reservation, and this one has the pit toilets literally directly across the road. They're temporarily out of service. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna change the battery in the GoPro. Yeah. Funny how it'll be at, literally it was at 30%, and then I was watching it, it said 14 and then dead. Anyway, so after I found the pit toilet, there was a guy walking from the opposite direction, and he asked me if I had been to the bridge, and I said no, we almost made it there, but then I got confused and I turned around and came back. And he said, well, he was gonna go out there, but he couldn't figure out from the park map how to get to the trail. It kind of has an arrow that points to it, but then that's it. So he came and he took a picture of my map and the directions on the back of it. So hopefully he finds it and he gets to where he wants to go. I don't know what time it is right now. 3 o'clock maybe. Okay, dog secured, sort of. There's another dog barking. Yeah, there's a dog barking. Okay, so the other day we were in Canadian Tire, and this was on sale. I used to have the Decathlon one, the 4-claw. It was a lot bulkier, so I got rid of it before I left Ontario. So this one was on sale. It's usually $59.99, and it was 41 something the other day. So I picked this one up so she can have it, and it'll be lightweight for her and insulated. So we're all set up here in our metal tent. See, there's the Cindy Lou, and there's all the stuff. And I suppose I could change my glasses out. I realized a few minutes ago that I forgot my chocolate. This is a bad day. No chocolate. So yeah, here we are. It's relatively quiet. Like there's a campsite right over there. I can kind of hear them, but the kids are not being noisy. And just a couple of cars have gone by. So it's not terrible. Hopefully nobody fires up a generator at nighttime. But it's not, well, it's supposed to go down to 9 degrees. I don't know what that is Fahrenheit. I'll look it up later. Put it up. There's water right behind me. I just noticed now. Huh. So yeah, that guy that I saw that I was talking to about the trail, he said he had a photo of the map and he couldn't figure it out either because nothing on the map says here is the suspension bridge. And like when I saw the suspension bridge and it had a sign on it that said Flamber Head Path, but I wanted to be on the La Manche Village path, I was like, well, I'm obviously gone the wrong way, but for some reason, I don't know, the sign for the La Manche Village path is on the other end. I don't know why. And this as I can't even speak. Stop. No. So that is the end of the Flamber Head Path, not the beginning. I guess. I don't know. Anyway, if we get up early enough, we might be able to do it in the morning before we leave. I don't need to vacate the campsite until 2. But I can probably just go park over at the day use area and leave the car there, and then hike from the park back to where we were yesterday and do that. But then the guy pointed out that part of this path is a road walk, so I don't know if I actually want to do like a road walk. I'll have to look. I don't know. I'll see how we feel, but I don't know, it might be nice to actually see this, like, go across the suspension bridge, because I didn't even go and look at it. I just saw the sign for Flamber Head Path and figured I'm going the wrong direction and turn around and came back. So yeah, so we're just going to sit here. I don't even know what time it is. What time is it? 15:21. So I have a snack here, some veggies and hummus that I will eat. I just had some pepperoni sticks and cheese when we got back to the car before. Yeah, maybe have a nap. Maybe I just need a nap. Yeah, but my boss just really annoyed me. So that story is that remember I said, like, when I went camping before at Butterpot, and I said I was gonna start training for the cannabis shop. Well, when they scheduled me in to do the training, we couldn't get it to work. Like, I couldn't get to the modules at all from the computer at work. So my boss sent me the information to my home email and said, okay, just go do it at home. So then I tried to do it at home, and I clicked on the module and it gave me an error message. I could not go forward. So then I sent her a copy of the error message, and then she had to call tech support, and then that took, I don't know, a week and a half or something for them to sort that out. So then they sent it to me again, and I got the first module done, and then tried to get to the second module, and I got the same error message. It wouldn't let me in again. So then I emailed her back and I said, here's my certificate from the first module, but I got this error message again with the second module. And there's only 3 modules total, but I couldn't get into 2 or 3. So then today when I'm driving here, she sends me a text message and says, have you finished the training yet? So when I parked, I said, no, I haven't finished the training. I was waiting for you to tell me that the technical issues are fixed. So she says, what technical issues? Just click the link. So I said, no, check the email again. I showed you the error messages that I was getting. And I said, I'm hiking in the woods. I'll talk to you Monday. Like, seriously, she didn't even look at the email. She took the attachment with my certificate from the first module, but then didn't even read the email. So I don't know. Plus at work, oh my god. Okay. This week we got notification that they will be extending store hours till 10 p.m. every night, including Sunday. Wow, listen to that wind. It's crazy. Currently our Sunday hours are 9 to 6. Now they are going to be extending them 8 to 10. 7 days a week. So every single cashier, and frankly everybody else in every other department, is all like, okay, well, I'm looking for a new job. I had already been applying elsewhere, like, since before I started this job. Like, since I moved to Newfoundland, I have been applying to jobs that will give me a living wage, or yeah, a living wage rather. Oh, there's a blue jay. Look. Oh, fiddle fart. There he goes. I don't have my glasses on, so I don't know if it's focusing. There he goes. Did he just poop in the barbecue? Did he? I don't know if Cindy's ever seen a blue jay up that close. Yeah. No, you can't go chase him. No. Nope, can't chase him. Yeah, so there's a pretty bird. Anyway, what was I talking about? Work. Yeah, so anyway, I'm trying to find a job somewhere other than where I'm at. Something that will be more regular hours and better pay, because I'm still just doing minimum wage, part-time. I have never had more than 20, I think my highest week was 31 hours, and that was a fluke because a whole bunch of people had called in sick. Now we have a whole bunch of new cashiers, and it's summertime, so the students will be back because they're all done school now. So the college students and stuff who were away, and the high school students, they're all off now. So who knows? But I don't want to work till 10 o'clock at night, particularly on a Sunday. Like, we'll just be standing there doing nothing for 4 or 5 hours. Although, I don't know, maybe it's like the baseball field. If you build it, they will come. If you open it, they will come. Probably, but I don't know. I think it's just ridiculous. There's nobody happy there right now. But there's another department store that just opened this week, and I have applied there, but I haven't heard back, so I might check up with them. I applied to another, like, for an full-time office job this week. I can't remember what day that was. It might have been Thursday that I applied. Yeah. So, I mean, it's only a couple days ago. But hopefully I'll hear back from that. And, yeah. This ramble has gone on long, so I think I will just have a snack now. Yeah. So maybe today is not a complete bust. I'll let you know. Ow, something got me. I was looking at the park map to try and determine how far it is to walk from the park to back to the parking lot. And I think it's too far, so I think if we do get up early enough in the morning, I'll just go right back to that parking lot, and save us probably an hour or so. Anyway, the park map shows there's a trail that goes through the park, and it wasn't far from our campsite, and this goes down to the swimming area, and then beyond the swimming area to a waterfall. So we'll go see if we can find a waterfall. Is there a song about don't go chasing waterfalls? I don't know. Well, I don't know. The path is weird, but anyway, it led us here. This is the Lodge Pond. I don't know if you can hear me because of the wind. Look at the water. It's crazy. Marsh. Marsh. Bridge, bridge, bridge. Yep, had to check out the bench. What do you think? Is it good? Hey, come on, let's go. Actually get to the falls, I think. I don't know. Okay, ow, ow, ow. Wait. Okay, we are walking on a very sketchy path, which I think goes out to the falls. Cindy, though, settle. But I am not wearing my hiking shoes. I'm wearing these crap things that just slide all over the place, and this battery is dying. Okay, hold on. Okay, nope. Stay. Oh, Jesus, don't move. Nope. Hey, stay. Okay. Oh. Oh. Careful. Careful. Hardly room for my feet. Okay. This is probably about as close as we're gonna get, so I don't know if I'm actually gonna see anything. No, you can't jump to that rock out there. No, it's just a rock. It's not an alligator. No, there's no alligators. No, ma'am. No. It's a rock. No. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can reach across with the thing on the end of the stick and see if I can get a sideways photo. Probably not. I don't think I can get across here. It's too iffy with the dog. River crossing. Okay, so my battery had gone to like orange and 30 36 or 33% or something. Now somehow it's back up at 44%. Make that make sense. Oh, nice sandy. And poop everywhere. Yeah. God, people suck. For a pond, it's pretty active. In case of emergency, telephone is located at the checkpoint and ranger station. It's 5:35. We just got back to the camp and we made a pit stop at the pit toilet because I had to go. I need to feed Cindy too, but the campsite right next to me already had the generator going. It's 5:30. Yeah. I totally forgot that I had this bowl. I got it like when I bought Cindy Lou's backpack. I don't know, when was that? A while ago. Anyway, so for tonight's dinner, she's got lamb meal and brown rice formula with a bunch of her favorite dehydrated sardines. Watch this. You put a bit of water on there. There you go. Good girl. Free! Good girl. She loves those sardines. Yep, she likes those sardines. I need to make covers for my windows because the sun is right there and it's in the side of my eye, and I tried to put my sweater up to block it, but it won't stay. Yeah. Gonna have to do something.